Dear friends, thank you for the opportunity to address the historic and inaugural Zero-G Parabolic Flight. My sincere appreciation to the Royal Academy of Science International Trust and Astro Access for the kind invitation. I commend you for making this event possible. To the members of the disabled professional team, today you make history. Today you send a powerful and profound message to every girl and every boy living with a disability. Today your journey says unequivocally that all people are equal, that all people must be raised up and given the same opportunities. Your voyage today embodies the principles of equality, of empowerment, of innovation and ingenuity, of peace, prosperity and sustainability for all. Truly, ladies and gentlemen, I am in awe of you. And as much as I am in awe, I am also grateful. I have built my presidency of the General Assembly on the foundation of hope. I have made the case that humanity deserves better than what we have seen these past few years, that we are capable of so much more. Some have called me naive, dreaming of a world that we do not actually live in. I have little time for cynics who find comfort in complacency and excuses. Growing up on a small island that is at risk of being swallowed by the sea, I learned from a young age to have faith in other people, to put trust in others. I'm putting that same faith to the world. For all our faults and for our differences, I truly believe that we yearn for the same things: peace, prosperity, harmony with nature, and the opportunity to live freely and equally, with the dignity with which all that entails. This historic flight is a clarion call for all of us to make the world inclusive and equal, to ensure that the potential of all humankind can be harnessed to the fullest extent possible. And it is a window into the possibilities that exist for peaceful and equal exploration in space, where the benefits related to space exploration help address key issues here on Earth, such as climate change and sustainable development. Your journey today is a good example, a good feeling for the soul. It's a reminder that humanity, all of humanity, can reach higher together. I thank you for reminding me of why I chose hope. I wish you an incredible journey.